A night bus met a road accident at Assam Dima Hasao area on Wednesday night. This incident took the life of a Tripura man. Many injured people are fighting for their life. Meanwhile, the name of the deceased is Burma from Dalai district. This incident took place at Khorang area of Assam's Dima Hasao district. Tripura Cooperative Bank recruitment exam was being scheduled starting from 3rd to 5th May, but the exam centers was being given at different districts of Assam. As a result, many has to go to Assam for appearing their examination. But tragedy struck in the Dima Hasao district as a night bus en route from Agartala to Guwahati bearing registration AS01NC0243 met with a devastating accident at Ditokchora around midnight on Wednesday. The accident resulted in the loss of one passenger's life and left 30 others injured. Meanwhile, the deceased, identified as Burma from Dalai district, Tripura, succumbed to injuries sustained in the accident. Among the injured, 6 passengers are in critical condition and have been transferred to Silchar Medical College Hospital for urgent medical attention. Meanwhile, on Thursday, after the death of Burma was circulated in the social media, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha and Tripura Motor founder Maharaja Pradut Kishore Burma and other leaders showed their heartfelt condolence for the deceased family. Besides, Maharaja Pradut Kishore Burma also said in his Facebook page that he will help the deceased family as much as he can. A shadow of grief cast in the family of the deceased Burma with his sudden death in a terrible accident. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.